my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this filtered woolen mask at home very easily. And I have fixed this filtered cloth with this woolen mask. So let's start how you can knit it. So we'll start making mask. I have made this 18 chain and we are going to knit in doubles, not in trebles. Make one loop, insert the crochet in first chain, make two loops, knit it. Now next, knit it like this. Now in next, we are knitting in doubles, not in trebles. Now in next chain, first row you have to complete like this, making doubles in all the 18 chains. So let me complete this first row, then I'll show you in the second row. You see, first row is complete. Now we have to knit same way second row and third row. I'll knit two more rows, then I'll show you from fourth row. Rows are ready. In fourth row we are going to decrease one double. I have 18 now. I'm going to decrease one. Now I'll show you how you can decrease. First you take one loop. Now in the next one, knit like this as we were knitting earlier. For reducing the stitch, you just insert the crochet in and don't knit it. Insert in the next one. Now you have 3 loops, knit it together. So this way you will decrease one stitch. Now knit the whole row as we were knitting earlier. So one double is now less. We have total 17. So up to row 8 you have to knit with 17 stitches only. Let me complete 8 rows, then I'll show you. So friends, 8 rows are ready. For making half the mask you have to knit 24 rows, and from next row you have to increase one double in each row, and it means when you reach up to half mask you in all have 24 rows and with 24 stitches. At present there are only 17 stitches. In this row we'll increase one, and the next row we will not going to decrease any double. In the next row we will increase one. It means up to 24 rows you are increasing one double in alternate row and you'll reach up to the half mask. So let me knit 24 rows, then I'll show the shape of the mask. Friends, now half of the mask is complete. You can see that here we have now 24 stitches and 24 rows are complete. So now you have to start from here, and we are going to decrease the stitches the same way as we increased this side. So 25th row and 26th row, we are not going to decrease anything. We need like this. So knit 2 rows 25 and 26. Then in row number 27 to row number 40, means 14 rows you have to stitch, and in alternate row you have to decrease one stitch. As we increased here one stitch alternatively, here you have to decrease up to row number 41 one stitch. It means you will decrease 7 stitches in all. Then from row number 41 to 47 you have to knit with 17 stitches, no decrease, and in last row you have to increase one. Same way as we increased, this way you have to decrease. Now let me complete the other side, then I'll show you how you have to make the border and how you have to fix the filter cloth under it. So friends, the mask is ready and on the boundary I have made this chain. Now I'll show you how you can make this. Just make 2 chain, insert the crochet in 1 and 2. Now bind it, leap 1, this, again 2 chains. Now bind this over here, 2 chain, 1, 2, bind it over here, again 2 chains, insert the crochet in twice. You have to do like this, bind it and join it here. This way you have to do on the boundary like this. Now you can see the beauty of this mask. So mask is ready. Now we have to fix filter cloth with it. So take one filter cloth, just put your mask like this and draw a line, and again one line after the gap of ½ inch, because we have to fold it to fix it with the mask. So let me cut it from here, then I'll show you how you can join it with the mask. Now cut the cloth like this, and the extra ½ inch you fold it like this from all the sides to make a proper size for your mask. Now we have to stitch this cloth with knitted mask. So take a needle and same color thread you have to take to stitch it. Now fold them together . So this way you have to stitch it from here and from all the sides. So let me complete this, then we'll make the string to wear. Fix the cloth under the woolen mask. Now one thing is left, that is string. We need to wear it. Take the same woolen thread and fold it like this 4 times. Hold it from here and from one corner of the mask bring it out like this. Now knit it once and pull the thread. Now 2 threads at the back and 2 in the front. We have to knit with both the threads, give fold with the front thread and knit it with the back thread. Hold both the threads like this, knit it like this. Fold with front thread, knit it with back thread. This way you can make the string. You can see the string now, and knit it according to your need, your size of mask. Let me complete this string, then we'll attach it here. Now mask is ready to wear. I have attached the string this side, and the other side you have to make the string same way and attach it here only with the crochet. So if you like this video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. I'll bring something new for you in my next video. Thanks for sparing time and watching my video.